What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, man. Today you here with Team Profit Over Wages. We're really getting paid, not going through the phases. And as you can see on the screen, this is the company that I am a part of. This is the company that I am promoting right now. This is a major opportunity for everybody who never worked from home before and never ever made money online. This is a great opportunity for you. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So disclaimer, guys, I'm just letting you know nothing's guaranteed. I do not know your work ethic. I do not know your background. I do not know um, where you come from in life or your beliefs, how you think, or any of this stuff. Guys, everything I'm showing you is potentially, but if you follow the blueprint, everything that I'm showing you and everything that we have in place for you, the system, we actually will make money. Now, it's time for this network marketing stuff to evolve, guys. And when I say that, it's just basically first class experience. This is one of the first opportunities that I came across that I actually just fell in love with, man. It's amazing. The old model used to be customers pay more and you get paid more. So that means only the strong recruiters used to win because they had a good skill, they had a good way of selling something, but not anymore. So the new model, guys, with this opportunity is you make money when your customers save money. How did that sound to you? That sounds great to me, man. You make money when customers save money. So now you take away the greediness. You take away the people who are just looking to make money by making other people spend more. Now you can actually help people and make money with this opportunity. And that's why I joined it, because I like helping people. I like that part of this opportunity. So how will we bring this opportunity with the world? It just all starts with the travel, guys. It starts with the travel. An $8 trillion industry at your fingertips. A lot of people do not know about this industry because you just see it all the time. People flying, people going on vacations, but people never think about how much money is really into this industry. 8 trillion. That's crazy. And if you take a look, you can see the different. Um, Look at this: 2.8 billion a day in the United States, 116.6 million an hour, 1.9, 1.94 million every minute. Like, it's crazy. So as we speaking right now, somebody's taking a trip, somebody's booking a trip, somebody is ready to go on vacation. And with that being said, this money is right here at your fingertips, guys. Just think about Uber. That's what the owner want us to think of this opportunity as. Think about Uber, how they took over so fast in the car industry, and this is gonna be the same thing. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you why. Now, when everybody go online to book a trip, the two places they really see is Booking Holdings and Expedia, because they own. These are the two people, the two companies that own almost every place. Like, if you see down here, all of these websites, I know you've seen all of these before. All of these before are owned by these two people, but they are not actually a travel agency. They just are a marketing website that just make you believe that you are getting these deals and prices at a low price. But we actually have the lowest prices, and you will see. So they decided, IBuumerang decided to travel to team up with Extreme Travel Guys, and you'll see why this opportunity is so great once we get more in depth into this presentation. So when you become a TSA, travel savings ambassador, guys, that's what a TSA is. You will get your own platform. You will get your own websites up to 70% off, off of retail prices. Now, people only know about two different they only know about two different travels, and they know about retail price and they know about the discounted prices, but they don't know about the one that I'm telling you about right now. Only 1% of the world know about it, and that's the back curtain prices, which what we have. Um, and it's lower than retail. It's like wholesale prices, guys. It's crazy in the travel industry. Just think about what I just said. How many people are booking a trip right now who would love to use these prices that we have in place for you guys? And as you see, I told you guys they teamed up with Extreme Travel. These are all the awards that they won. You just take a look at them. It's crazy. It's just a good opportunity, man. And this is just awards that Extreme Travel have won in the travel industry company. Now, we're going to take a look at the prices here. New York City, 4.5-star hotel. Expedia is $339 per night. Here is $178 per night, and you saving $161 a night. Who do you know would not want to save this amount of money every single night? Take a look at France. It's $440, $130 per night. You're saving $310, guys, each night. That's just like, who do you know who? If you know somebody that travel, you know somebody that wanna basically just see the world or whatever, show them this opportunity. I'm telling you, you will just see they will not say no. Who would say no to this? And then as you can look, now this is the first travel booking that accept Bitcoin. So you don't even have to book people in the United States. It can be all over the world. We got rental cars. See this total right here is $392 on our website. You can get it for $221. You save $171. Who you know do not want to save these earnings or this savings? Who you know? Look at this week in Punta, Cana, guys. $1,215 on our website. You can get it for $712, and you saving $503. Just tell me who you know say, no, I don't want these. I don't want to save. This opportunity is for everybody. Everybody wins. That's why I am a part of it. I just want to help people save. Now, you got to understand, it's two types of people in this world. It's people that have to travel for work. It's people that just want to travel for vacation. Both of those people do not mind saving. Now, these are the confirmations you would get as a TSA once somebody saved. You'll get this in green, and it'll already be circled, so you don't have to search for it. And they'll let you know the savings that'll be going to your bank account. And we're gonna get more into this, and I'm gonna show you how you can get paid by helping them save. And I know you're still like, man, how can I get paid? What I'm doing? Okay, we're finna get to it. So these are also some of the benefits. Man, you get hotel, rental cars, cruises, flights, homes, week stays. You get different stuff in the marketplace, and you got timeshare owners inside of that opportunity. You can go ahead and check it out once you become a TSA. And as you look right here, this is a price guarantee. If anybody finds a price online on any other website that is lower than the price that we have, they will guarantee 110% of the difference. I'm gonna say that again. Price guarantee right here. You can take a look at it. If anybody finds a price lower online, hotel, lower than the price that we have, they will give back the difference of 110%, guys. They will refund you. That's crazy. And listen, now you look at this is on the website. This is on the website. You just can't beat this. You cannot beat this. Now let me ask you, do you boomerang? And when I say boomerang, I'm gonna get into it, but do you boomerang? I boomerang. I'm already part of it. So do you boomerang? If the answer is no, you're gonna boomerang after I show you this. I'm gonna boomerang after I show you this. So what a boomerang is, guys, you share 50% of your savings as a TSA with your family and friends. The customer enjoyed 50% of their savings, and then you get paid the other 50% for giving out, you know what I'm saying, good deed to them. So come take a look over here. This is a TSA website. This will be your website once you become a TSA, a travel saving ambassador. And this is the customer website. This is the same place, same time, and everything. but you see you save 70% up here. The customers only save 35%. Still not bad at all because they are getting a huge savings. But just understand TSA, you will get better discounts. So here you save $3,399 and you only paid $1,467 here. But your customer ended up only saving $1,699, which is not bad at all. They will be glad to take those savings if they just want to be a customer and don't want to be a TSA. Now they have to pay $3,168 because they only get 35% of the savings. That's the difference between a TSA and a customer site, guys. And take a look over here. You gave out good deed to your family or friends or your customer. This is you. This is what I mean by Boomerang. Give them one of your free websites. So you just give them a free website. They go ahead, book their trip. And as you see right here, they save $1,699, which is over here. Now, 50% of that goes to you. So you'll earn $849. And the other half will go to you as in bonus value points, which you can use those for trips in the future so you can start traveling for free. And this goes directly to you. Your bank account will be filling up. And it's just one customer. So we're going to get into this, guys. I know you're excited. I know you're like, dang, so I get paid whatever. Yes, you get paid whatever they save. That's why it's called IBuumerang, because you are giving out something good to the universe and it's coming back to you. So IBuumerang, guys. Do you boomerang? Do you want to boomerang? If the answer is yes, stay tuned into this video. I'll show you more. Now, this is the model, guys. I'm gonna show you. If you had 10 customers, which is easy. I have 10 customers already, and I haven't even been a part of this opportunity for a whole month. 10 customers, if they only took one trip per year. And think about it, guys. People take more than one trip each year if you know the right people and connect with the right people. If they only just took one, if all 10 of your customers only took one trip, that's a saving of $600 for 10 people. So that's $6,000 for that whole year. And at the end of the year, you'll get paid a bonus, which is half. Again, guys, 50%. So that's $3,000 you'll get paid just for having and sharing your boomerangs with these people. That's 10 customers, guys, and they only took one trip. Understand, people don't take more than one trip. So this is just a minimum. Now let's go ahead and look at 100 customers. So if you had 100 customers and they took just one trip per year, that's $600 for each 100 customer, and they end up saving $60,000. So you take that, that's $30,000 that you have saved just for giving out good deed. It's crazy, man. That's why I'm part of this opportunity, because I know a lot of people that travel. I know you know a lot of people that travel. You might even want to travel yourself. So this is 1,000 customers, and you might be looking at these numbers. These numbers are not hard at all. You have to think about this, man. You have to think about how many people would not say, no, I do not want to save. No, I don't want to save. People don't say yes every time you show them that you have the lowest prices. That's just how it's gonna go. So 1,000 customers, that's $600. If they only took one trip, just understand this is the minimum. One of your customers is gonna take more than one trip. So that's $600,000. Remember, you get half of it. Boom, $300,000 come to you. I'm telling you, this is easy to get these customers. This is just one way to get paid. This is just one way. So if you, like I said, if you never sold anything online, this is not selling. We are giving away something for free, guys. Now, this is the team builder model. Now, we're going to get back into this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next thing, because you might not understand this part, but you do understand giving away the free websites and getting paid each time that they get saved. Now, this is a little more complicated. This is more of building a team. You also get paid weekly by building your team, and you can see this compensation plan inside of the information if you go ahead and decide to get into this system. Now, standby, guys, is you are not a TSA yet, but standby is just $49.95. You get one customer site, and you get 5 boomerangs to send out to your family and friends. You get 25% of the referral commissions if you decide to build a team, but you will not get paid when your customers take a trip because you are not a TSA. You're not on the plane yet. This is standby. So you can go ahead and do standby if you like. If you're thinking about it, just go ahead and do standby. So you also get the I Decide presentation, which is inside of your back office. You will still get your TSA online system, but you are not officially a TSA yet. But you will get your tools and everything with standby, but you will not make any commissions with the customers when they book a trip. And that's just standby. So to become a TSA is 3 different packages. You got the coach class, which is a one-time fee of $250. You get 10 boomerangs, and you get 50% of the earnings. And you go ahead to the business class, guys. The business class is $500. Get 25 boomerangs. And all of these fees are one time, but it is $99 per month. And a lot of people don't understand why. I'm gonna tell you why. Now, if you think about this, $99 a month is not bad because your customers don't have to pull out their credit card to get these savings. If they did, you wouldn't have that many people interested. Because if any, just think about it, you have to pull out a credit card, put your information in, and have to pay every month for these savings. You wouldn't have that many customers. It's free to them. So you might as well take this sacrifice, pay $100 a month, but you gonna see this $100. You're not even gonna see this $100 a month because you're gonna be getting paid all of these savings that they are saving is coming to you. So you're not even gonna be worrying about it $100 a month. So, but it's $99.95. I just say 100 because it's basically 100. $99.95 a month to give your free boomerangs out to your customers. So the business class is, like I said, one-time fee of $500. You get 25 boomerangs, and as you can see here, you get 100% of the travel saving bonuses and hotels. So this is just a good thing, man. You get VIP reservations, 1 week pre-sale. As of here, you just get whatever's left. But here, you can go ahead and book your trips before everybody else. You just get the best deals with these two. Now, first class, you get business plus homes, week stay, marketplace, lifestyle, timeshare. You get a lot of stuff in the first class, and you get 50 boomerangs, and you also get 100% of the savings, and one-time fee of $1,000. Now, like I said, guys, you can always just start with the coach and work your way up. You do not have to just jump right on in. But if I were you, I would go ahead and do the best of the best. So it's up to you guys, but $250 is not bad. Go ahead and start coach class and work your way up because you will be getting commissions and you can take that money and move up. So that's how you become a TSA, guys. Now, if you want more information to this opportunity, if you want to go ahead and get started, it will be a link below this video. You can click it, join me, guys, and you'll get marketing tools, everything that you need. You will not have to worry about anything because we have everything in place for you. It's training inside, it's presentation videos inside, everything inside. And I'm actually, what I would do is give you a whole another system once you join me that does all the work for you. Funnel pages, videos, everything. So if you want more information, go ahead and click that button below. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so y'all be the first to know when I drop a video. I'm out.